Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, the Digital Institute of Computing Technology. In this presentation, we will have discussion on the topic Introduction to C. C is a powerful, general-purpose programming language that is widely used for systems programming, developing operating systems, and embedded system applications. Due to its efficiency and control over hardware. Features of C programming language. Efficiency. Known for its performance, C programs are fast and efficient. Portability. C code can be compiled and run on many different types of machines, making it highly portable. Flexibility allows low-level access to memory and hardware manipulation, suitable for system programming. Modularity supports functions and modular programming, which helps in managing large projects. Rich library comes with a rich set of built-in functions in the standard library. Low-level operations provides low-level operations and direct manipulation of memory addresses. Structured language supports structured programming with the use of functions and control structures like loops and conditionals. Simple syntax has a simple and clean syntax that makes it easy to learn and use. Now let's see the history of C programming language. Year 1972, creation of C. Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs developed C as a system programming language for Unix. 1978, K&R-C, the first edition of the C programming language by Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie is published, which becomes the de facto standard for C. 1983, ANSI, American National Standards Institute, establishes a committee to create a standardized version of C, leading to ANSI standard. 1989, ANSI standard. The ANSI standard is ratified, known as ANSI X3.159-1989 or C89. 1990, ISO C standard. The ANSI standard is adopted by ISO, International Organization for Standardization, as ISO/IEC 9899-1990, commonly known as C90. 1999, C99 standard. The ISO publishes a new standard for C, known as C99, introducing several new features such as inline functions, variable length arrays, and new data types like long int. 2011 C11 standard. The ISO publishes C11 standard, which includes improvements like multi-threading support, new atomic operations, and bound stitching interfaces. 2018 C18 standard, latest version. C18 is published by ISO, mainly addressing defects in C11 standard and providing minor improvements. Hope you liked and enjoyed the presentation. Remain connected with us by subscribing to this channel for latest updates on this channel. Thank you.